welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today we're going to be doing my long-awaited December 2019 Triple B unboxing. And for those of you that have never seen any of my other videos, I will leave them linked up in the cards as well as the description box down below. And for those of you that don't know what Triple B unboxing is, it is the lovely company Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, and I do unbox over here on my channel. Again, I will leave the timestamp on the screen here of the time I actually get into the box, as I'm going to give you a little description about the company if you are new here or if you've never heard of them. So basically what it is a Disney subscription service that is directly sent to your door. And fair warning, I am Canadian and this is not international. I do, however, cross the border and I pick up my package somewhere safe. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it is not international. If you think we should start a petition to make it international again, give me a little hands up emoji in the freaking comment section, because I need them to go international again. Okay? And Brenda, Becky, and Amanda, if you're watching this, thank you guys so much for this company. Honestly, I cannot share enough with everyone out there of how much this company means to me. Again, I am no way affiliated with them at all. Hashtag wish up be sponsored. But this is just such an amazing company and I stand behind them 100%. So let's get into this company a little bit. It is a Disney subscription service, like I was saying, and they have 4 main boxes, which is your Dreams, Wishes, Fantasy, and your Ultimate Magic, as well as they have a Harry Potter Wizard's Vault, and they also have a Sparkle and a Bling box, which is a magnet and sticker subscription, as well as a pin subscription. So they have a wide variety of boxes ranging from $9 all the way to $119. So there's something out there for everyone and their price point. Again, I will leave down below in the description box below their Instagram, their Facebook, and their email if you guys have any questions or comments to reach out to them, or also in my comment section at the end of this video. I know a lot about this company and I stand behind them, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will try my best to answer them or get you in contact with them if I can. Another thing I love so much about this company is that this box is super customizable and it makes them stand out from the rest of Disney subscription boxes because it is literally geared towards you. It is geared towards your interests, and they hand package every single box here and they make it, you know, so it's, you're getting a slice of Disney of something that you would like to your door. So when you sign up and you've selected the box type that you would like, you then have a preference manager, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to fill that out to a T. Fill it out as much as you possibly can about everything you like and everything you don't like. And that preference manager gets pretty detailed, let me tell you that. And basically what it is, you're going to tell them what phone you have, if you want Spirit jerseys, if you want Jim Shores, how many ears you have. Literally let them know everything. Let them know what movies you love, what movies you want to stay away from, what princesses you like, what princesses you don't like, and all that stuff. As well as I wanted to put in here that they are having a Triple B rep on their Instagram. I will leave the post down below if you guys wanted to represent this company. They are having a little search for reps, if that makes sense. I am Canadian, so I'm international, so I don't think I can really apply. But girls, if you ever think about getting international, please call me. And again, I get the Dream subscription, which is the lowest tiered box. So this is the $39 one plus shipping. So I think it's around probably $40. But again, I am nowhere near the parks. I haven't been to the parks in years. And honestly, this is my little slice of Disney that I get to my door. And I think it is 100% worth it. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. First off, can we talk about this damn cute packaging, guys? They've changed it. I actually have a box here. I actually have like 7 of these boxes, but I'm just gonna hold these 2 up. So they are different. This is the original design and this is their Christmas one. Look at the Mickey pretzel. We have a little bell, little froyo, little peppermint. This is so cute, and it does have their Bibbidi Bobbidi design in the middle, and it's all the way around the box. These were plastic wrap. I did take it off before I started filming. So again, I'm gonna let you guys take a peek first. I'm just gonna quickly open it, give you the first glance, because I love watching that on videos. Okay, so you guys ready? What do we see? What do we see? Oh! Okay, here we go. I lost the card. So every month we get a little postcard, and this says from our home to yours, and it's Minnie and Mickey there skating, which is super cute. I like to keep these and actually frame them, and I put them all on my wall up there, which you can't see at the moment. So these are really cute. You can also give these to people. They are blank on the back, so totally reuse them and recycle, like, you know, pay it forward. And then next up we have our packing slip, and it's Donald here fighting off these Christmas lights. It's super cute, and it does say no peeking. You can find out everything that is in your box inside of this, so I don't want to look, don't want to be, you know, ruin the surprise. I am just gonna quickly cut the sticker here, or rip the sticker I should say, and then I'll give you guys the first look. So, can you guys see anything, or is it all these little foozle things? Oh, I feel something. Okay, are we ready? Oh my god! Guys, I put this in my preference manager. Oh my god! These are the new rose gold. Oh, I forget what they're called. Are they just rose gold? I'm so bad at this. The rose gold ears. I actually, last video, was wearing the other rose gold ones that I got from Bibbidi. So I really like this glitter, and I love the sequins on the bows. You guys can see the old one there. And I like how poofy it is. Oh my god, okay, so I need to put these on because I was not wearing years before. How so not Disney YouTuber of me. But I love them. Oh my god, rose gold is one of my favorite colors. Look at that. I love how poofy the bow is. Oh my god. I totally love these. Guys, my ear collection is growing. I think I have now 2, 4, 6, 7 pairs, and they're all from Bibbidi. And then I got one from Megan. So my ear collection is growing, which is fantastic. So I super duper love these, and I'm pretty sure these are $29.99 if I'm not mistaken. The packing slip will give us the price. So that is item number 1. Super excited. Okay, let's see what's next. So I had something in here. It's not in there anymore. Let's find out. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. This is a Coco Christmas ornament. Oh my god, that is stunning. Look at Miguel on the back. That's the back there. Look at the detail on the front. I did, again, have in my preference manager Christmas ornaments because those were my favorite, and Coco is one of my favorite movies. So last month I got the Coco ears, and now this month I have a Coco Christmas ornament, which is great because that can go on my Disney Christmas tree. And it does have a price here for $24.99, and this actually does say that this is hand painted, which is incredible because the detail is immaculate. Oh my god, I love this so much. Thanks, guys. And I think that is everything in my box here. Yes, it is. So we're gonna quickly look at the packing slip, find out a total for this month's box. Handy dandy packing slip here. So again, I do have the Dream subscription, which is $39.99, and I got the, oh, these are the Briar. Oh, I should have known this. Briar Rose Gold Ears headband, which were $29.99, which is what I stated before. And then the Parks exclusive Coco ornament was $24.99, which brings my total retail value for $54.98. And again, I paid $39.99. I am blown away this month. Oh my god, ladies, I love these ears, and this ornament is totally going on my tree. Unfortunately, I packed it up because I'm a little late with filming this, but this will totally go on my tree next year. Thank you, ladies, so much. Again, if you guys have any questions or anything about this amazing company, please leave them down below. Or if you need help with anything, your girl here is ready to help, you know? I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Brenda, Becky, and Amanda for making this company happen and making my dreams come true. And thank you, ladies, so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. Bye!